Hey, designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already paid the poke. Niggas too scared to go.
Let's get into this little fantasy chestnut brown moment that I did on myself over the weekend. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. They did send me a 7x5 like asymmetrical chestnut ombre moment, and I was obsessed. I feel like I'm always in one of their bob numbers, but I feel like this one was a little bit more on the higher end. Look at the deep parting on this, the pre-plucked as well as pre-bleached knots, and the lace was pre-cut. The construction on the inside was what I typically am used to. Great elastic band. It's also adjustable so you can get the comfort and the security that you're looking for with the help of the elastic straps in the back and the gripping material and the longer comb. I love a long comb. So we popped the wig on, and as you can see, the wig does come straight, and I wanted to get an up close and personal shot of the lace. It isn't laid down to perfection, so I will have to add a little bit of holding spray, but I also wanted to tuck the comb in the back so you guys can see that the wig does fall right at the nape of my neck. For me, it gives a cleaner appearance, and I love that upgrade to Nadula units. Now it's time for me to start tinting this lace. I did use a little bit of a darker brown lace tint on this lace, and I felt like it did exactly what it's supposed to do. I used a Q-tip to ensure that I was placing everything in the spots that I wanted to, and I didn't oversaturate the lace. Now, if y'all been here for a while, y'all know how I feel about this scallop edge lace. I can't do it, so I have to remove it. It's just not for me. So I do a little extra tweaking, and I try to give myself a little calm widow's peak as much as I can without removing too much of the pre-plucked illusion. I don't want to take away all of that hard work, and I want to make sure to do my bedhead lace. Well, this is not the lace spray, it's just a hairspray, but it works as lace spray in my opinion. It gets tacky really quick, and I do like it. And once I lay the lace down, I'm taking their elastic band to make sure that this is giving that what lace melt illusion. Y'all know the vibes. And I let it sit for about 10 minutes. Take it off, just remove all of that extra hairspray that's around it, and I go ahead into styling. So I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron today, and I have it on its highest setting. I think it's like 475. It gets really hot, so this Yaki hair does take really high heat. I really appreciate that. And I also wanted to put the hair to the test when it came to curling the hair, so I am going to be using my gem curling iron shortly, just to make sure I have some faucet waves. I didn't want like a heavy tight curl, you guys. I always like my hair to be ever so like effortlessly and wavy these days, so that's basically what I'm going to be doing. And then just taking away a little density at the top half so this bob can lay as flat so it can give natural as possible.
Hey, I couldn't like hands and soap. Get a meat lady drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch, I'm a man.
I mean, if it's not giving silk press to you, I don't know what a silk press is then to you, because that's the goal. That is what I always go for when I'm straightening my Yaki moments, because I know that they're able to get like this if it's some good high quality hair. I do want to let you guys know that the hair doesn't smell like anything crazy when you first take it out the pack, but just know when you putting all this heat in it, if you don't have any heat protectant, it will smell like something. So make sure you add your heat protectant serums, your hairsprays, and your hair oils to ensure that you have a flawless finish to your Yaki moment. So we're going to go ahead and curl her up, which means I'm adding more heat, so that lets you know that this hair can take some heat, baby. And I'm going to be adding my hairspray to ensure that these waves are staying in place. I do tweak a few curls just to make sure that some are tighter than others, but I'm not going for a super tight curl. I want you guys to know that. So I do comb them out. I add the hairspray so I can get the look that I'm going for, but you can get your pin curls if that's the look that you're going for, and a little bit more of a tighter curl, if you will.
Like a damn storm. My life full of fun, and I'm one of my hoes born. She never out of time, ocean in it more alone. And he cheats with a gun, cause with me it's a whole war. Ain't finished or done, we got some, but we come to get more.
Third style, I just chose to do these two tiny twists at the top So this will be a day when you don't want the hair in your face, but you still want to rock this unit. And I felt like this was pretty cute. I didn't think that it was given too childish, but you know, it was something that gave, you know, if you're tired of just wearing your hair in the middle part, this is something that you can go for. Obsessed over this unit from Nadula, like I mentioned before. I thought this was a great everyday kind of style for the summertime, and I love the color. I mean, I can't stop gagging over the color because it just looks like it was professionally done. But I want to shout them out once again. I will link all of their information down in the description box below if you guys are interested. Let me know which style you enjoyed the most, if you love the hair in a straight state, more so in a wavy state, or in a style like this. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for always coming back and supporting your girl. I appreciate you guys always and forever. I love you guys, and I will check y'all out in another video. Bye.
Designer head to toe, sit to the head and float. Already paid the post, niggas too scared to go.